Hi guys, my name is Olivia, and I recently watched a video about a girl who used CursorAI and Cloudflare to create a Harry Potter themed chatbot. So today, I'm going to make a chatbot called OliChatBot, which is part of my name. And I'm going to call the ChatGPT function, and I'm going to write it in code in Python. Now I'm going to create my chatbot. So I'm going to create a file that says OliChatBot.py. Oh wait, oopsies. So on the first line, I'm going to import OpenAI from OpenAI, which means I'm going to import OpenAI. From OpenAI, import OpenAI. Now I'm going to make a function which is called OliChatBot, which is the name of a chatbot. Of course, you can name anything you want. That's OliChatBot. And what I'm going to put inside of it is my text, or the thing you're saying to my chatbot. Text. And now I'm going to tell OpenAI my API key, which I'm going to tell you later. Actually, I might not tell you. And I'm going to store it in an object called client. Client, which is equal to OpenAI and a thing called my API key. And for now, I'm just gonna do this is a key. Ha ha ha. So now I'll store. Now I'm gonna use the bathroom. Delete all from beginning up to here. The client's actually an object of the OpenAI class. And a class can contain functions and objects. So now I'm going to call a function of the OpenAI class. So client dot chat dot completions dot create. Did you notice that all starts with C's? That's very strange. So many C's. And to make our code neat, press the enter button once and it'll make like this. So now I'm gonna tell OpenAI what I want my model to be, which is GPT 3.5 Turbo, so I'm calling ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo. You can also do 4.0, but 3.5 is free. So my model, which is equal to GPT 3.5 Turbo. So no capital GPT, and you can select from all of this. And you see there's a bunch of random numbers here. No, they might not be random, but just select the first one. And now do a comma, and then go to the next line and write your message, which is the thing you're gonna send to OpenAI. So messages, which is equal to a list. To make our code neat, we do this. We type enter again. I'm gonna create an element in the array and its dictionary type. see, dictionary type is represented by curly brackets. So in my curly brackets, I'm going to type some strings. So as you remember, this is what I'm telling ChatGPT. So I'm telling ChatGPT my role user, which is me. And then I'm telling ChatGPT the content, which is just the thing I'm telling him, or the text. So text is a thing I'm giving into my chatbot, or the thing I'm telling my chatbot, which is also my parameter. So now we're almost at the end of the function. I'm just gonna tell it to return. Oh yeah, and also I need to store this part into a variable called result. So I'm gonna return the result, which contains some content. So return result. Result dot choices choices 0, which means that the thing ChatGPT responds to me might have multiple choices, like multiple ways it can respond. So I'm gonna 0, which is the zeroth element, so which is the first element of your response. Dot message, which is a message he sent you, and the content in the message. Contents. So now you're done with the function. Yay! Now to make my chatbot really cool, at the beginning of every conversation, it'll say what's up. So I'll just write, just print a string. Remember to make quotes. What's up? So I'm gonna make a while loop. So wait. While true. Wait. I'm making parenthesis. While true. While the response is equal to input that the user says. So input is a function which collects the user input. While true. Now I'm gonna pass this to my function. So OliChatBot, and we're gonna put our response. So now I'm gonna say my code. Yes, we're done with the code. Now we don't have to do anything at all except test it. So now I'm gonna test it. Hopefully it won't work. No, it did not work. Oh yeah, I forgot the key. So now go to Google and search OpenAI API. No capital. OpenAI API. So now click the OpenAI API overview. You'll see some examples here, very useful information. And now click into your profile. So now go into API keys. So now let's press create new secret key. It's okay if I show you my secret key because this is one-time use. So this is a test key. It can be anything like so that's my test key. And then I'll just create it. And then this is my key. So now I'll copy it. And I'll press done. Now I'll just go back to the code. So now I'll change my this is a key, ha ha ha, which is not a key. Delete it and then just do Command V. My very long key. Remember Command V and Command C? This time you don't have to do Command C. Remember, very important, Command V, Command C. So now save your project and there's an X here now. And delete all of this stuff and try to run it again. What's up? Oh yeah, actually, you don't need this. Delete it and do. And just say, what's up? And you see I can, say some, create a poem about my nose. Wait, let's create a poem about noses to test my thing. Yeah. Oh wait, how do I? Oh yeah, I forgot to print. Sorry. So print. So now, okay. So now I'll just delete all of this and then save my work. And then what's up? And then I'll respond to save. Command B. And then I'll just enter. Oh wait. Oh yeah. This is a very funny poem. Oh, the noses we all possesses. In all shapes and sizes, no less. Some small and cute, others grand. Each one unique like grains of sand. They help us breathe, they help us smell. They warn us of danger, they do tell. Our noses are truly quite amazing. A part of us that's undeniably blazing. They twitch when we're curious, they scrunch when we're furious. They tickle when we laugh or get cold when we're on a path. Our noses are a special part of what makes us who we are. So let's appreciate all these little things and the joy that our noses bring. That's a very fun poem. And to remember, even this, and that's a good poem. And remember, it was done in it was done in at most 5 seconds. That was very good. Look at my fabulous code. It's so short, yet it's so important. So let's review. So let's review what we learned today. 1, we learned how to call another function. 2, we practiced a list, array, and 3, we learned how to call ChatGPT API, which is basically the purpose of our code. And 4, you made your own chatbot, and now if you're kind of bored, you can chat with anyone. Also, remember the most important thing in everything of typing. Command C, Command V, or copy, paste. Remember when I said CursorAI could make code? Well, in my next episode, which is part 2, and this is part 1, I'm going to ask CursorAI to make the UI for me, and then I'm going to combine these, and then it'll be really, really cool. And by the way, a UI is like, I'll show you. Okay, you'll see UI in the next episode, so I don't have to explain it. Remember, if you like the video, remember to like and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, comment me, and if you want to make a video about anything, put it below in the comments. Goodbye!